Hello viewers, welcome to Toolbox Bangladesh. Well, today we will talk about dash camera, car vehicles dash camera, which is very essential for your car. A dash camera or dashboard camera has become increasingly popular over the past few years, mainly because of its numerous benefits. Today in this video I will introduce you with the very cheapest and very popular dash cam, and is very reasonable and very handy and very small. Normally this type of camera that is mounted on the dashboard of your car, and it is designed to record sounds and images while you are driving. The purpose of the dash cam is to carefully recover every detail that takes place both on the road and inside the car, and it can be used for a variety of purposes. Well, there are 8 strong reasons why you should consider buying a dash camera. So number 1 is you have first-hand evidence of a car accident. And number two is the dash cam is the perfect solution for undisciplined drivers. And the third is the dash cam is perfect for driving instructors and worried parents. And number 4, you can prevent fraud. Number 5, you can record your entire road trip. And 6, dash cam have a plethora of useful features and functions. Number 7, you can efficiently prevent parking accidents. And number 8, you might be amazed of what a dash cam can capture. So this camera I buy from AliExpress, and you can buy it also. The price is not so high. Well, what features it has, this camera? 100p Full HD camera, and 170-degree high-resolution wide-angle lens, 2.4-inch high-resolution LCD, night vision function. It also have G sensor, motion detection, CMOS light sensor, anti-shake, photo camera abilities, supports HDMI. Here is the HDMI port, and supports TF memory card up to 32 GB. Plus 10 recommended for best performance, and a loop recording function, and of course language supports. It supports Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Russian. Includes what inside of this box: 1 DVR camera, and 1 card charger, and 1 car charger, and USB cable mount. Here is the USB cable mount, mounting bracket, and user manual. And setup of this camera is not so hard. Place on the windshield of your car and snap suction cup in like this, and let me show you. Oh, it's not familiar for me. Yes, you must see. So on your car windshield, just keep it like this, and then it can start recording. And pull down the Full HD 120-degree wide-angle video screen. Up to 13 hours of record time, you can now drive with confidence. And of course, Car Dash Cam Pro captures it all. The battery of this product is intended only as a backup source. For best results, please use the dash cam when plugged in and charging. So it's very tiny here, viewers, and if you like to buy this from us, you can contact with us or message inbox us. Toolbox Bangladesh dash camera now available in Toolbox Bangladesh. So in this video, end of this video, we will add the video quality or footage, how it looks while driving, so that you can be clear the camera resolution and video quality of this camera. The price is very good, not so high. So for simple camera is best. So Toolbox Bangladesh will recommend to you for your car camera, car security. You can purchase this camera from us or online. And please subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you. Night vision function is very strong in this camera. You see the video quality is clear output, and also at daytime undoubtedly it's pretty much clear